Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ninja Foodi Pork Carnitas. So let's get started learning how to make this super delicious recipe. Here are the ingredients for this recipe. You'll need a 4-pound pork shoulder or pork butt roast. You'll need olive oil, half a cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper, 1/4 cup of white onion diced, a clove of garlic crushed, 1 lemon, 1 lime, half a teaspoon of chili powder, oregano, and cumin, and a jalapeno. You'll also need some additional toppings and tortillas if you prefer. Coat the pot of the Ninja Foodi with the olive oil using a brush to get it evenly coated. Now it's time to add the meat. So the first thing you'll want to do is cut it into smaller pieces so that it fits. I usually cut it into about 4 pieces. Then you're going to use the saute function of the Ninja Foodi, and you're going to just sear it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side just to get it a nice little brown coating on each side. Now that the meat is seared, go ahead and leave the meat in the pot and add the water, salt and pepper, onion, and garlic. Cut the lemon and the lime in half and just use the juice from half of those evenly over it. Then go ahead and add in the chili powder, oregano, and cumin. Once that's done, cut open the jalapeno and add that right on top. Once this is done, go ahead and add the pressure cooker lid. This is the additional lid that comes with the Ninja Foodi. Secure the nozzle to seal and cook on high pressure for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, do nothing, just let it naturally release for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, go ahead and quick release the rest of the steam and remove the lid. Once this is done, you can go ahead and remove the meat and then just use 2 forks and shred it, and it should shred very easily and be nice and juicy. We love to serve this on corn tortillas. Now what I do with the corn tortillas, I like to heat them up. So I usually will use a skillet with some olive oil and just warm them up and toast them on both sides so they get just lightly crispy, but still pliable to fold up like a taco. And they are just delicious. And as you can see too, another thing we like to do is serve it with a corn salsa. To make the corn salsa, I just mix a can of black beans, diced tomatoes with chilies, corn, cilantro, and then I'll use the juice from the other half of that lime and just mix it all together. It's perfect on top of this meat. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these Ninja Foodi Pork Carnitas. These are perfect to serve for a crowd. If you'd like this recipe or more, be sure to check out mommyhatescooking.com. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to like or subscribe this video so that you don't miss out on the next one.